Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So this is just going to be a random order of things in today's video. Not in order of the way that we installed them today, but worked on finishing this last piece right here from the last box to the exit sign. And we did that on both sides, so I might go walk over to the other side, but it's pretty much identical. If you look right above that door, you probably can't see it. Maybe, but it goes from there to right above that door, centered. So same thing here, center of the door, exit box, and then over here we did finish the other side right here. So that's the last light right there, and then going down here. So we just lasered this one and then measured off the laser. So we just kept all the boxes and the pipe the same distance from the other box. I'll show you here in a second, but so all these boxes are the same distance apart, and all the pipe is the same distance apart as well. Let me just get down here. It's a long walk. Had to move a couple things just because these boxes weren't lined up between there and there, so I had to basically cut 6 inches off of this one right here or something and then move them back. So it wasn't a hard fix, just had to remount that box and then another piece of pipe that was down there. So fix that. That was pretty easy. But basically what's wrong is, or not, I guess it's just not done right. I don't know. But anyways, this box should be like over here a little bit, but luckily it wasn't, because this would have been in the way for the light. The lights are going north and south. So this strut would have been in the way of it, but it's over here. So I just had to readjust because I was kind of going off. These lights are supposed to be 24 feet apart, but because this light was scooted over like 10 inches or a foot or whatever, when I was going 24 inches away down there, I realized that, hey, these lights aren't lining up. So I just had to cut the difference off and then slide them back, so now they're the same. So I just basically went off that crack and then put it on that crack, and same down there and so forth. So got those lined up nice and straight. I haven't even really looked at it yet, but woo, right down the line. So that looks good. As you can tell, this crack is don't want to go off the cracks because those are not straight, but the pipe is straight, so it's kind of optical illusion, but nice and straight, so that's good. Didn't have to move this box with 4 pipes in it, so that's awesome as well. And then one more thing I will go show you. So the last, what is it, half hour or hour, I think it was like half hour, 45 minutes, went around and was drilling these holes out for the rods and the drop-in anchors. So went over there with a 1/2 inch roto hammer bit, and then pushed those in there, and then just hammered it with the set tool, and then dropped the rod in there. And they were a lot easier than I thought. Maybe these are just smaller drop-in anchors, because I know I was having trouble with the 1/2 inch ones really bad. Maybe I wasn't doing it right, but these ones went in just right with the helpful tip from my coworker. Kind of just bang the set tool around, kind of like turn it 360 degrees, hit the edges, make sure all the edges are being hit, and then it should just go right in there, and then hit it a few times going straight up, and then just twist it right in there. Only one of them fell out, so I felt pretty accomplished out of like the 6 or like the 7 to 10 of them that I did, probably like 7, but anyways, only one of them fell out, so that was good. And there's still some more I have to do. That dude's working down there, and then yeah, so I was going around doing those for the fire alarm and the cameras, and there's still some more to do on the left side over there, and like one more camera over there, I think. So anyways, that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. That wraps up my day. God bless, have an awesome rest of your day. I think I just said that. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow, and check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do uploads or live streams. And the giveaway is ending tonight at 7 p.m. If you want to be entered to win the $40 on Cash App, make sure to check in at 7 p.m. live, and I will be announcing the giveaway winner and then heading to a car meet. Alright guys, thanks for watching. God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace.